Hello everyone! Welcome to the channel about crypto, where we show you how easy and simple it is to make money on it. Before the start of the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. What is AMP? AMP is a digital complementary token designed to facilitate fast and efficient transfer of value, especially suitable for use in cases where security and reversibility are a priority. As collateral, AMP ensures the cost of any transfer as long as it remains unconfirmed, a process that can take anywhere from a couple of seconds to several hours or days. AMP tokens used as collateral are usually released when consensus is reached for a particular transfer, making them available to secure another transfer. If no consensus is reached on the transfer, the AMP collateral may instead be liquidated to cover losses. AMP is described as a new digital collateral token offering instant verifiable guarantees for any kind of transfer of value. Using AMP, networks like Flexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset use cases. How does AMP work? The creators of AMP claim to offer a simple yet universal interface for verifiable collateral through a system of partitions and managers, where collateral sections can be assigned to secure any account, application, or even transaction, as well as carry over balances that can be directly verified on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can block, issue, and redirect, providing these sections as needed to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide range of collateral use cases and also introduces the concept of predefined partitioning strategies that can include accessibility features such as collateral modals so that tokens can be deployed without leaving their original address. Collateral for fast and efficient value transfer. AMP is a new digital collateral token that offers instant, verifiable collateral for any type of value transfer. Projects like Flexa use AMP to secure transactions and build networks that accumulate value reliably and transparently. Instant verifiable guarantees. As collateral, AMP ensures the value of any translation as long as it remains unconfirmed, so that any actions depending on the translation can be completed without delay. By using AMP as collateral, individuals and legal entities benefit from the security and effectiveness of collateral, which is transparently documented in a mutable ledger. What makes AMP unique? AMP provides instant, verifiable guarantees for any pending or future value transfer so that all translation-dependent actions can be completed without delay. Each additional section can be provided with its own set of rules regarding interceptors and transfer privileges, and can also implement a predefined partitioning strategy to enable accessibility. For example, provisioning modals in which tokens are placed without preserving the original address. As for the scenario to BTC rate, it depends on the currency exchange. For example, on Bittrex, Poloniex, and Upbeat, 1 AMP is 0.70 BTC. Cryptopia and HitBTC, 0.18 BTC. According to statistics, Bittrex and Upbeat are the most popular exchanges, since in 24 hours the volume of transfer in dollars is more than $46,000. Here, we tell you how easy it is to increase your financial capabilities. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye!